Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. So first step in order to create a recurring task in ClickUp is going right here in the top where it says create items. Click on it. This will show you this window where it says to create a task name. So I'll name it task 2. And in order to create a date, so go to date and go over here, down here where it says set recurring. And you can set to recur forever or weekly or when closed. So set how much do you want it to recur and then press save. It is really simple, just press create task then and your task is created and it will be recurring. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.